I'm from the State University of New York at Albany, otherwise known as the University at Albany. Meeting students, talking to students about academic career advancement, career possibilities. Let me tell you a little bit about SUNY Albany. SUNY Albany is located 2.5 hours from New York City and 2.5 hours from Boston. It's a campus of 300 acres, but of most importance, it's part of a 64 state of New York university system. But within that system, there are 4 primary universities, of which Albany is one of those comprehensive universities. We have 9 different colleges or academic areas. One is called Arts and Sciences. One is called Business. I know many students out there may be interested in business and MBA. We also have a College of Engineering and Applied Sciences. That college concentrates on computer engineering, computer science, information technology, information systems. So almost anything you want to know in artificial intelligence, about computers, and advancing yourself within that field, that's an excellent unit to look at. We also have a new special college, which is called the College of Emergency Preparedness, Cybersecurity, and Homeland Security. Yes, at Albany, one of the most high-profile programs and activities is our work in the field of cybersecurity. So any students interested in learning more and becoming an expert in cybersecurity, you can do that either from the technical side or from the investigative side. We also have a fairly large and well-known public health program, a College of Rockefeller Public Affairs program, a School of Criminology, a School of Social Work. So those are a number of the schools that we have at the university. And Imperial can help you learn more about those programs, or you can learn more about those programs through me. Now, some of the key areas that you need to think about, if you're looking for master's level programming, pretty much you're going to have to take a GRE exam. And if you're going to be in the technical fields of computers and engineering or sciences like biology and chemistry, the quantitative score becomes a very important score that you're going to need to work on. Some of the humanities areas, the GRE is going to want a balance between the quant and the verbal score. Now, for most graduate programs, you're required to have a TOEFL of 85. For our undergraduate programs, for the bachelor's programs or UG programs, as you might call them, students, you will need a score of 70 or above. But of great interest to many of you, SAT is not required at Albany. Now, we accept students for both the fall term and the January term in all programs but MBA and public health. Would love to hear from you. I hope you have some questions, as I'm here now at the Tanay office of the Imperial Consultancy. So feel free to ask questions now or later. Take a view of this live Facebook shot, and I hope this information is of interest to you. I know students from Mumbai are of interest to us, and we would love to have your application. Graduate applications are due no later than either April 1st or March 1st, depending on the department, and for UG programs, June 1st. So feel free to contact us, apply to the university, and of most importance, look at our website. It's www.albany, and that's ALBANY.edu. And again, my name is George Burke, and you can email me at gcburke@albany.edu, or you can WhatsApp me at 1-216-402-8037. Again, that's 1-216-402-8037 is my WhatsApp. And again, a pleasure talking to you this afternoon and sharing with you some of the thoughts. And just one thought that I'd like to share is many people hear about changes in H-1B regulations. There really isn't major changes in H-1B regulations in the United States. While it appears through the conversation and the news reports they might like people think so, but the lottery system is still in place, and you have always had to be qualified for the position that you were going after for the H-1B. So those rules have not changed. Feel free to contact